Hi everyone, this is your Wednesday morning weather update. We do have an active day to talk about. We're going to have some severe weather, and it could be some significant severe weather across eastern Texas, Louisiana, Mississippi, and over toward Alabama, and probably even as far north as Tennessee. So we'll talk about that in a moment. First, let's take a look at the overall map across the United States, the big picture, if you will. We got an area of low pressure moving up toward Hudson's Bay, a trailing cold front, then it's sort of a stationary front along the Ohio River Valley. So scattered showers and some embedded thunderstorms for the Midwest up through the Northeast. Then we have this area of low pressure that developed on the tail end of that front, and with a couple of fronts, a warm front and a cold front spinning around here, that has kind of increased what we call shear, change in wind direction with height. And so with that ingredient, a lot of moisture available, clashing air masses, all the ingredients coming together for a severe weather outbreak centered around Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, and again, as I mentioned, as far north as Tennessee. As we head back into the Midwest, we got temperatures in the 60s, a little showery for Chicago up through even Cleveland and down toward Columbus. 66 and just kind of cloudy today in Detroit, and 68 and mostly cloudy in Grand Rapids this afternoon. Scattered showers from Pittsburgh down through Cincinnati and Louisville, occasionally some thunderstorms. Even this morning we've seen some thunderstorms, and then this afternoon there could be some strong or severe thunderstorms in Nashville and Memphis, Tennessee. Temperatures are going to cool down quite a bit here for the end of the week in the Midwest, so count on a kind of chilly day for both Friday and Saturday, and then we kind of rebound from that a little bit here later in the weekend and to start the new week. Chicago, same deal, and maybe just a little bit earlier, Friday, Saturday, that cool down, a rebound into the weekend, and typical ups and downs that you would see in the month of April, especially in the Midwest. As we head down to the southeast, we got warm temperatures, 77 today in DC and Wilmington, 76 in Charleston, 78 for both Savannah and Atlanta. A couple of scattered showers possible by the end of the day in both of those places as thunderstorms that develop out to the west move off to the east later on this evening. But from Memphis to New Orleans and everywhere in between, that's where I think there's a real threat for severe weather, life-threatening severe weather, with dangerous tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds. And this area here highlighted by the Storm Prediction Center in the red, you got the scale here from slight to high risk, or really it's from marginal all the way up to high risk for severe weather. And we're almost at the top of this scale here as far as the risk goes for severe weather in that part of the country. So that just gives you an idea of how significant it is. Once a cold front swings across the East Coast, we are going to cool down for the end of the week. It doesn't stay cool long. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, all back above 80 degrees in the southeast. 82 today in Fort Lauderdale, 77 as we head through the evening hours. We're going to see temperatures well into the 80s tomorrow and kind of seeing those effects of that cold front as we head into the weekend. All right, guys, that is your Wednesday morning weather update. I do hope you all have a great day. Be safe. No matter what life throws at you, remember there's still a 100% chance of good things, at least if you want there to be.